Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Uterocervical prolapse. The classification used for uterocervical prolapse are mainly two. One, POPQ classification, that is prolapse of uh, pelvic. Sorry, POP is pelvic organ prolapse. Q classification. Q is quantification. So POPQ classification means pelvic organ prolapse quantification classification. For this, the reference point taken is the hymen. The second classification is Baden-Walker classification. In Baden-Walker classification also the reference point taken is again the hymen.
thank you and thank you for watching.